napakarami talaga ng iyak. Hindi ko inaasahan na sa first run ko ng mental wellness workshop ay maraming tao ang makaka-relate, maraming tao ang magbubukas ng kanilang mga puso. Particularly yung workshop na yon was hosted by DSWD for entrepreneurs. Bukod doon, may mga regional officers din sila na umattend. And I was surprised to know na hindi lang negosyante yung maraming daladalang emotional baggage o kaya ay merong pinagdadaanan in terms of their mental health. Pantay-pantay po pala lahat tayo. Kaya very emotional yung session na yon. And what I found out, the only thing that we can do para sa lahat ng mga nakakasalamuhan natin is that let's all be kind with each other. I hope you could also listen to their stories. Minsan, ang kailangan lang talaga ay may makarinig ng kanilang kwento at makapag-share sila ng mga dinadali nilang bigat sa dibdib nila. And in that way, they get to process things. Nagkakaroon sila ng awareness na this is my current situation, and hopefully in that process ay maiisip nila na this is what I should be doing moving forward. In some cases, kailangan din nila ng tulong, kaya nga may mga workshops na katulad ng ginagawa ko. But point being is, let's all find time to listen with one another dahil hindi natin alam, sobrang dami pa lang may mga problema na pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa sa atin.